Alright, what we're curious about today is what other tires and wheels can we get to fit on this Losi Super Rock Ray. The issue that we have is 20mm hexes, right? A lot of what we own is 17mm stuff, but I happen to have some hot racing 17mm adapters that are actually for the Yeti XL. And so we're going to try to take off this 20, put on these 17s, see if they will fit. Is this a already out there on the market way to get to a 17mm hex on this vehicle? Now, just for future reference, a lot of this, just at first look, without really sticking a light down into it, I just assumed that this was a big hex right in there that needed to be like this whole thing was a hex. No, you need to stick a flashlight in it. There is a 2mm set screw that holds the grub screw that holds that pin in for that hex. You got to take this out, and then that pin will slide out. This hex should come off. There we are. The little screw, the hex, the pin slides right out, and you are left with a shaft. It looks like if we take these two screws off, we could also get that fake disc and fake bearing off of there. Yeti XL, Axial Yeti XL adapters from Hot Racing. They go straight on. They go straight on. Check it out. Adapter straight on. You can even use the factory Losi nut, or you can use the fancy Hot Racing red nut if you wanted that one on there instead. And done. 17mm on the Losi Super Rock Ray. Super simple on there. Tire choices galore.